Hey, it's a gorgeous day. It's a great day to record a video. Hey, I'm here for the YouTube foundational class for Author Nation, and I want to show you how easy it is to record, not only record, but to upload a video. I was talking yesterday with Sarah Cannon, who's doing the YouTube 201, like the second level. This is the beginner, then there's intermediate, then I'm going to do the advanced as well. So all I want to show you right here, I have my camera on. I have no microphone, no tripod. It's my phone. And I'm recording in 4K video, which is awesome if you have that. And I'm going to show you in a minute how easy. I'm just going to do 1 minute recording here. This is not going to be a short. I already showed you how to do that. This is going to be a long form video, even though it's only a minute. And I'm going to show you how I can do all of it from my phone right here in a few minutes. All right, I'm at my minute. This was it. I'm done. Bye for now. See you in Vegas.